This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new document. This gets you working immediately. Once done, save the file with a clear name and location because Word won't protect unsaved work. Make sure Auto Save or Auto Recover is enabled to reduce data loss. It's fast to set in File options. Also set your editing language and preferred font. This prevents formatting issues later. These first steps keep your work safe and consistent as you build the document. You now add content and shape it so readers understand your point. Use heading 1 and heading 2 for hierarchy because Word uses those for navigation and consistent formatting. When applying bold or bullets, think about emphasis versus structure. Headings help generate a table of contents later. Insert images or tables where data needs visual support and use page breaks to control layout. If you make an error, press Ctrl+Z immediately. It's a quick safety net while you refine the document. You finish by reviewing and exporting your polished document. Use spelling and grammar and read aloud to hear wording and catch mistakes because a read-through often reveals awkward phrasing. Once satisfied, save and export to PDF or the format required. Choose File Save As or Export and verify layout. If Word behaves oddly, restart the app, disable third-party add-ins, or open the Auto Recover file from File Info. That's your main troubleshooting move to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.